The battle is on in the three-peak mountain all-season SUV segment. It's the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV, launched in 2021, versus the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6, a fresh 2023 contender. Both promise year-round versatility and snow capability, but which one reigns supreme? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet braking, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 stops 1 meter shorter than the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV, measuring 45 meters versus 46 meters. Wet handling shifts the balance as the CrossClimate 2 SUV completes the course 0.4 seconds faster at 87.9 seconds compared to Turanza's 88.3 seconds. In aquaplaning resistance, both are nearly identical, with the CrossClimate 2 SUV maintaining a slight edge at 79.6 km per hour versus 79.4 km per hour. On snow, traction and precision are key. In snow braking, both tires perform equally, stopping at 18.3 meters. However, the CrossClimate 2 SUV pulls ahead in snow traction, reaching 20 km per hour 0.44 seconds faster. In snow handling, Michelin extends its lead, completing the lap 1.6 seconds faster at 78.6 seconds versus Turanza's 80.2 seconds. Dry performance highlights agility and stopping power. In dry braking, the CrossClimate 2 SUV stops 0.5 meters shorter than the Turanza All Season 6, measuring at 39.6 meters compared to 40.1 meters. Dry handling shows minimal difference, with the CrossClimate 2 SUV finishing the lap 0.21 seconds quicker. When it comes to comfort, the score is tight, with both tires rated 7 out of 10 for ride quality. However, Michelin edges out in noise levels, registering 0.9 dB quieter than the Turanza All Season 6. On the other hand, the CrossClimate 2 SUV also leads in rolling resistance, measuring a coefficient value of 6.92 compared to Turanza's 7.53, a difference that adds up over time. In summary, the competition is very close here. The Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV excels in snow performance and efficiency. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 stands out in wet braking.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.